Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out this WORKPRO socket set. This here is going to be a 7-piece, half-inch driver driveline socket set. This is a 12-point SAE swivel socket, and you can see here how it swivels. And this is going to be a steel set, so steel driveline set. And again, these are very nice and really heavy-duty sockets here, and I love how it comes in this nice case. I love how everything is nicely, neatly printed on each socket, so you can keep everything in its prospective home. And again, you're going to have from 5/16 all the way up to 3/4. And again, this is going to give you that nice driveline swivel socket. And you're going to get 7 pieces plus the nice container here to keep everything organized so you don't lose a piece. Keep all your sockets in its right space. Great that it has a storage. It's great that it has a storage case. This is going to be great for mechanics or any automotive shop if you need these drive lines. 12-point sockets. Check it out from WORKPRO. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.